Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. This is Kikuyu Undiri. We are exactly 1.8 kilometers from Kikuyu town, and this is an estate of 6 units. And before we get started, let's get some introduction. Kikuyu is a town in Kiambu County that started in the early 1900s. The town is exactly 20 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, and it started as a religious center and an educational center. Over the years, Kikuyu town has grown massively to a population of 350,000 people. Accounting on devolution, increased GDP, and high property prices, we can't fail to attest that this locality have grown to a relatively modern town which is livable for any urban dweller. Within close proximity of the town itself, we have some residential areas like Rungiri, Gitaru, and Undiri. And from the latter, we present to you Zarati Estate. Each home in this estate is a 4-bedroom master and suite mansion with a print area of 200 square meters. As you can see from there, this is a gated estate with the best views of Kikuyu locality. Each home in this estate is going for 12.5 million. The estate comes with ample parking spaces for your cars and an extra parking on this side for your guests. Now that I know some of you are already commenting, Mungai Kihara, this estate is missing some green spaces. The developer thought about you. As much as you may be tempted to think that this development is made on a very small parcel of land, the developer created some green spaces on this side and an extra green space on the other side of this block. Before I take you inside, this estate comes surrounded with a perimeter wall and we have manned security. I'll take you to the show house. Wow, I like what you are getting for 12 million. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the dining space of this home. As you can see, this space is big enough to fit a 6-seater to an 8-seater. I like this dining space because it comes with a massive window that sets maximum natural light to this space. From there, I'm very sure you can agree with me that the developer of these homes interpreted very well the architectural drawings. This dining space opens to the kitchen and this space gives you a very good space to serve your meals. On the opposite side of the dining area, directly from the main entrance, we have the living room of this home. The living room is an ample space for you and your family, and though this place is not very well furnished, this space will give you the standard comfort that everyone requires. The concept of big windows has also been implemented in this living room, and this is where you do your electronics. As you can see, this home comes with internet and DSTV ready. From here, I'll take you directly to the kitchen. This home comes with a standard kitchen, and I like how the greys have been matched with the whites. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. I like it that the developer added some drawers here for your cutlery and your crockery. The kitchen comes with grey granite countertops, and this space is where you'll do your cooking stove. Behind me, this kitchen comes with a double sink, and I like it that it's next to the window. This window connects to this door that is also transparent. This door will take you to the laundry area. I'll show you that in a few. On my left hand side, you have this space that have been made to act as your pantry. Let me show you the laundry area. The laundry area is a sizable space for all your laundry work. I like it that the developer included this one for the gas cylinders. These hooks are for your clotheslines. I'll show you the rest of the house. From the kitchen, these stairs will take you to the upper level, but before I do so, I'll show you the common washroom. The common washroom comes with all the necessary fixtures that you require, and from here, I'll show you the rest of the house. On this level, we have the 3 bedrooms, but before I take you around, I'll show you the shared washroom. The shared bathroom is of a standard size and it comes with a showering area here and a water closet at the center. I'll show you the first bedroom. The first bedroom is of a standard size and this bedroom will be enough for your small kids. And it comes with a massive closet on this side. As you can see, the closet is a massive space for all the kids' clothes. From here, I'll show you the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet. The only difference between this bedroom and the other one is that this one comes with a slightly smaller window at this edge that does not make any sense. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest window and an access to its balcony. On my left hand side you have its bathroom, and on my far front you have its closet. The primary closet is the biggest, though it might not be enough if you do a lot of shopping. As you can see, it comes with 3 drawers here, spaces for the hangable clothes, and I like it that the developer included spaces for the shoes. If this space is not enough, you might be forced to put some clothes up there. From here, let me show you the bathroom, and later I'll show you the balcony. The primary bathroom comes with a washroom area on this side. This bathroom also comes with a showering area on this side. I like it that the developer included this rod for the showering curtain. I'll show you the balcony. The balcony to this bedroom is here, and I like it that it faces the front side of this estate. From here, you'll get the best morning breezes from Kikuyu locality and the best views of this area. I'll take you back inside. From the first level, this staircase will land you to the second and the final level. On this level, we have the roof deck, an extra bathroom, and an extra bedroom. I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom on this level is just similar to the other bathrooms that I showed you on the other levels. I'll show you the bedroom, and later I'll show you the roof deck. This bedroom is exactly similar to the first bedroom that I showed you on the lower level. The only difference is that this bedroom comes with extra 2 windows on this side. The closet is just similar. I'll show you the roof deck. The roof deck covers an area of around 50 square meters. From there, you can see that you are getting the best views of this estate. On this other side, you'll never stop being fascinated by the beauty of this locality. The greenness that comes with the area is on another level, and the beauty is irresistible. That's all for this roof deck. We have come to the end of the tour, and as I said earlier, the price of these houses is 12.5 million. If you'd like to let any of them, the rent is 70,000. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as usual, never stop watching. Bye bye.